Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey. We have engine light on and we have code P0038. So we're going to diagnose that and show you how we know it's a bad sensor and how to fix it and replace it now. We have guys more than 200 videos. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So let's go inside. Okay, we're going to go ahead, start the car now and see how the engine light is on. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, start the car. Okay, and check out here guys, engine light is just on. Okay, stays on. No matter how much I rev it up, it stays on. What I'll do now guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead and go to diagnose. We're going to connect here quick. Read codes, and now watch what we have. P0038. Okay, oxygen sensor. Okay, heater. Bank 1, sensor 2. Sensor 2, that means guys, that tells us it's after the catalytic converter, and bank 1 is the cylinder head towards the windshield. So we'll show you where that one is. I'll go back and then we'll go to the live data stream. Okay, let me explain here how you can tell that it's a bad sensor. Okay, bank 1, sensor 2. So we need to select this one. Okay, select it, exit. Check out the graph now. Okay, it shouldn't be that way. It should be going like this, but it's not. It's just going straight and it should be this way. Okay, I'll rev it up. Nothing changes guys. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the car off now. Turn it off. We'll go ahead, show you where the sensor is located, and we'll have a replacement video and see if that fixes the problem. So with the hood open guys, okay, bank 1, okay, bank 1, bank 1 right here guys, it's all on the back side. Now bank 2 is this one right here. Now on bank 1 you have two sensors, one on top before the catalytic converter, one after. So they look like this one. I will not be able to show you guys because you have to remove, okay, that box needs to come out so we can see. But they look like this one here. Okay, this one needs, okay, this is bank 1, bank 2 sensor 1, and this is bank 2 sensor 2. So we have one like that, but it's on the back side, okay, over there. Okay, so it's hard to get to. Now, let me see if I can show you where it's located. We're going to remove that hose quick. But we have a whole replacement video guys on the channel, so check it out. And now looking at this thing, okay, right here is your connector. This is your connector and your sensor is, okay, I'm trying to see all the way back there. So that's practically impossible for us to show you guys with the camera, but that's where your sensor is located. So this is guys where bank 1 sensor 2 is located. We'll go ahead and replace ours, okay, and see if that fixes our problem now. So we have the sensor replaced with a brand new sensor guys. Check out the description of the video to see where we get our sensors from. What I'll do now, I'll turn the ignition on twice, no brake. Okay, you can see car not running. We'll get the computer. Okay, and we're going to go to diagnostics again. It's going to connect now. We'll click erase codes. Okay, processing, light is blinking. So now we can turn it off. Let's start the car. Now engine light on. We'll go to data stream. Let me show you now. And right here, guys, we're going to select bank 1 sensor 2. Okay, this one here. And check out the graph now. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be, guys. It goes up, goes down. So it definitely needs to change. So that definitely takes care of the problem. So thank you for watching and see you guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.